Messages from the birds. Someone may feel that they are getting or have gotten a message from a loved one who's passed. Could be a male relative or a male loved one who's passed. There's a crow in the background. And there's a train as well. I just heard another type of bird. I don't know if that's a finch. It just came to finch. The word finch came to my mind. Someone's last name could be Finch, or they could have a finch as a pet. It's a beautiful blue sky and a pretty red bird. There was another one I heard in the distance, like they were talking to each other, which makes me feel like I'm getting like a couple, like someone, maybe a female passed before a male. It could be vice versa, but it could be like an elderly couple, or it could even be siblings. I'm hearing like hospice. Get out and enjoy nature, guys. There's lots of messages for you out there. Tap in. Open your mind wider than your eyes. Talk to you next time.